Disobeying, bowing down is taking you out of your chaos state of mind, your God knowing. Breaking rules should be an exercise, just to get out of that religious dogma or set of ways of thinking.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a homage beat.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. What color is fire? Lower chakra work. Hell is supposedly a scary place, an evil place. When we think of hell in the Christian standpoint, we're thinking of a red devil with a pitchfork and burning flames all around him. What is the color of these flames? What is the color of fire? Red, orange, yellow. Red, orange, yellow. Your lower three chakras. You are in hell. If you're not vibrating from the heart chakra. I love you. If you haven't risen up in the heart chakra to rise out of humanity, you're still in hell. Matthew 4:8. Again, the devil took him to a very high mountain and showed him all the glories and the kingdoms of the world. And he said to him, all these things I'll give you if you fall down and worship me. Then Jesus said to him, Begone, Satan. It is written, you shall worship the Lord, your God, and him only shall you serve. You are the Christ, and the God you serve is within you. Your God, your God, your God.
Message.
Humans are funny. When we think of hell or the devil, they think of evil. But the real evil is someone telling you to obey. Obey something outside of yourself. Not letting you be the free spirit you were destined to be. Order and conformity is the trick of religious thought. Go get the book, Pacts with the Devil. Disobeying, bowing down is taking you out of your chaos state of mind, your God knowing. Breaking rules should be an exercise, just to get out of that religious dogma or set of ways of thinking. Not saying do something that's going to lock your human up, like robbing a bank, but saying we've been mind controlled to think of good, positive, and heaven as following orders, being an upstanding citizen, not doing nothing innately in our being.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Well, I'm here to tell you there is no good or bad, or right and wrong. And heaven and hell is just a representation of your chakra system. You're in quote unquote hell when you're vibrating from your lower chakras. And your heaven is just a few steps up the chakra ladder. Hell is not a place, but a representation of your lack of self-control or discipline within oneself. We're here to have a human experience, true indeed, but we're also here to figure out why we chose this particular path of humanity. What was the purpose of you coming down here to learn something new? Notice when we talk about Earth, we always say down here. while down is a representation of your earthly experience and what you came to experience in your lower 3 chakras. We all know 0 to 21 is when you're developing your root, sacral, and solar plexus. I am, I feel, I do. In order to propel your journey and rise up to heaven, Christ consciousness thinking, you must reflect on that childhood and tap into that wounded child that was developed in the lower 3 chakras. And have forgiveness and compassion for yourself. Forgiveness is all about forgiving yourself of the self-hate or blaming your other contingencies in your life. So what if your baby mama is Felicia? So what if your daddy was a Rolling Stone and your cousin is also your brother? So what if you never got love and affection in high school and everyone used to move around from talking to you because of your bad breath? Breath was murdering people, boy. This forgiveness is important, and drenching that fire is healing the wounded child. How many ways can fire burn? Well, solid, root chakra, liquid, sacral chakra, gas, solar plexus. Get out of the physical and come up to the heart chakra, the etheric, to play. When you turn your fire up, that's when your light starts to fly. Dream wise.